Ever wondered why websites keep asking you to prove you're not a robot? That tiny test actually protects the entire internet. Welcome back to Junaid Hacks, where we break down technology in the simplest way possible. Today, let's understand one simple but powerful concept: CAPTCHA. What is CAPTCHA? CAPTCHA is a security system designed to tell humans and computers apart. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. In simple words, it checks whether a real human is using a website or a bot. You see CAPTCHA when you type distorted letters, solve puzzles, or select images like traffic lights or crosswalks. Why CAPTCHA is important? The internet is full of automated bots. These bots can create fake accounts, send spam, hack login systems, and overload websites. CAPTCHA works like a digital security guard. It blocks bots and allows real users to continue. Without CAPTCHA, many websites would not be safe. What is reCAPTCHA? reCAPTCHA is an advanced version of CAPTCHA developed by Google. You've probably seen the checkbox that says, "I'm not a robot." Behind the scenes, reCAPTCHA analyzes your mouse movement, click behavior, and browsing patterns. Sometimes it also shows image challenges to confirm you're human. How CAPTCHA works. CAPTCHA gives tasks that are easy for humans but difficult for bots. For example, recognizing distorted text or identifying objects in images. Even though AI is improving, human perception is still more reliable, which is why CAPTCHA still works. Limitations of CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is not perfect. Some challenges can be frustrating, some are not accessibility friendly, and advanced AI bots can bypass older CAPTCHA systems. That's why CAPTCHA technology keeps evolving. Now you know what CAPTCHA is and why it's everywhere online. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Junaid Hacks for more simple tech explanations, and comment below. What's the hardest CAPTCHA you've ever solved?
Junaid Hacks in the zone. Helping you fix on your own. Debug the code, watch it home. Step by step, we break it down from the script all the way to the crown. Like, share, subscribe, don't slack. More tips coming back to back.